Hi, in this video I'll show you how to use the transpose function to switch rows and columns dynamically. First, let's use arrange. Type the transpose formula and select your data. Press Enter. In older Excel versions, you need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. In the top left corner, you may see 0. If you try to delete it, the whole result will be removed. This means the corresponding cell in your original table is empty. You can change the font color to white, or add a header in your original table, or just leave the 0 as it is. With this formula, your data updates automatically. If I change values, they update here too. But if I add a new row, nothing changes. That's because the formula only works within the selected range. You need to update the range manually. Excel highlights the area needed for the result. Make sure there is enough space. Let's try an example. I'm adding a column called Items next to the table. Then I add a new row to the table, and now I increase the range. Now we get a spill error. This means Excel does not have enough space to show the result. So make sure you have enough space for the transpose result. Let's remove it. Now let's use another way, a table. Select your data, go to Insert, Table, or press Ctrl plus T. Make sure My Table Has Headers is checked. Now type the transpose formula using the table name. When I add a new row, it updates automatically. If I add a new column, it also updates. But there is one detail. By default, it does not include all headers. To fix this, edit the formula and add #all. Now everything is included and updates automatically. If I add a column on the right and then add a new row to the original table, we will see the spill error again. If I remove the column, everything works again. So always make sure you have enough space for the result. You can also place the result on another sheet. Create a new sheet and enter the transpose formula there. Now nothing will block the result and everything will update correctly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.